weeks ago. One of the demands was around the tariff system that the municipality wanted to implement as per the regulations of DERSA. We have adhered to the issue of the electricity. But one of the issues that was raised also in the memorandum was the issue of the PR company that was appointed. But the other issue was around the CFO and the MM. They must resign. So we've agreed with the leaders when we had our meeting that we will have to follow internal processes. They will have to provide us with more evidence in order to pursue this matter. Because there are labor laws that governs municipality or any employee when there is an allegation. Now we are at a point where we must clarify one thing to the community. Myself as a mayor and the mayoral committee, we cannot suspend the MM because the council has the authority to suspend the MM. Now what makes matters worse is that there is an allegation between the MM and the director that accounts to the MM. They are employed both of them by council, but the CFO accounts to the MM accounts to the mayor. So we are waiting on some more information in order for us to table the matter to council, so that council must be able to make a decision based on the information with regards to sustaining the allegations that are made. So that's where we are. Thank you very much.
So the mayor comrades. What?